it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I will be doing a long overdue Beauteque monthly beauty box unboxing and Mask Maven subscription unboxing and review. Before we jump in, I do want to say thank you all so much for the love and support you have shown me since I opened myself up to you guys. I was really nervous about what people were gonna think, and it's really blown me away how supportive everyone is, and it's really meant the world to me. So thank you. And also thank you, Beauteque, for sending me this to review. I really do appreciate it. It does help the channel to have products sent and not have to purchase everything, but despite that, I will give my honest opinion. I always give my honest opinion, and they send that subscription out to me knowing that I will give my honest opinion. So if you're new here and you don't know what Beauteque is, it is a Korean subscription service where you can get this box with 6 full-size Korean beauty products for, I believe, $24 every month. If you sign up for the year, you get a discount, and you can get the Mask Maven where you get 9 masks for $15 a month. Again, if you sign up for the year, you get a discount on that price. If you guys are interested in signing up for either of these after watching my video, I do have a discount code in the description, as well as right here it is Rachel25 for 25% off your first month if you would like to sign up. Without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing and review. First off, we are going to start with the beauty box because that is my favorite, and it is December's box because I'm a bit behind, and the month is all about teas. They do include a little pamphlet with information, prices, all of that, so we'll be using that to go over everything. The first item is the Diopros Blueberry Vitalizing Water Jelly Mist. It retails for $18 and features blueberry and aloe extract, which helps soothe sensitive skin and enhance moisture levels, and it can be used as a facial or body mist. This I was a little wary about trying because one of the main ingredients is aloe, and I am sensitive to aloe, but I decided to give it a go anyway because I've been struggling with super dry, dehydrated skin this winter, and I really like it. I have not had a reaction so far. I do find it very soothing. I do find it very hydrating. And even though I've been using it for like a month straight, I'm only this far in. So just based on that experience, I would say it is worth the $18 for me. Next, we have the Sina Tree Moisture Hand Cream. It retails for $5, and it will leave your hands baby soft and not sticky or greasy. I got the lemon verbena scent, which, let me smell it and describe it to you. I would say it smells exactly like what it's described as, but this is like the one thing I forgot to test, so let me just like squeeze a little and tell you what I think of this hand cream. Oh, that fragrance is intense when you like rub it in. So off the top of my head, first thoughts, this smells like a lemon cleaner now that I'm like rubbing it into my hands, and it's too intense of a fragrance for my preferences. Even for $5, I probably wouldn't purchase this because it is so strongly fragranced, and fragrance is an irritant. Next, we have 2 body oil options. I received the Happy Bath Natural Real Moisture Body Oil. It retails for $8, and it is perfect for the winter as it deeply moisturizes and nourishes your skin. They have a light scent that smells nice and can be used by itself or mixed into body lotions. This is the first time I've ever used a body oil. Usually when I get out of the shower, I use body butters, but I actually really enjoyed this. I didn't find the scent was too overwhelming or irritating in any way, and it did really absorb into my skin and moisturize it a lot, and I felt that because it was so liquidy, it spread a lot faster than my body butter, so it was almost like a quicker option. And for $8, I would definitely get this again. Next, we have the Sea and Trees Steam Cream. It retails for $12. It is multifunctional. It has many benefits such as brightening, moisturizing, and anti-aging, and features ingredients such as shea butter oil, which improves skin texture, and white flower complex, which brightens your complexion. This was an interesting product to me. It comes in this little can. Can I freaking... My lotioned hands, of course, I can't open it. Now that I got it open, it's a very thick cream in this tin. And what I've been doing is just using it as like a keep with me all the time, use when I'm feeling like dry at work or anything. And it's really good for that. I don't know that I would like keep this in my everyday skincare routine, but the way they describe it, it seems like an all-purpose cream that can be used for anything. They said it can be used on hair and lips and like your whole body. And so I've just been throwing this in my purse and using it for extra hydration throughout the day, and I've been really loving it. I think I would probably pay $12 for this again. Next we have the Double and Zero Double Effect Foot Peeling Mask. It retails for $6.50. Has lemon extract and fruit acid complex, which gently softens skin and removes dead skin cells from your feet. About 5 days after using the foot mask, dead skin will start to come off your feet, revealing baby soft, callus-free soles. In my line of work, dog grooming, my feet tend to get really gross because they get wet throughout the day and they just get gross. So I was really excited to use this, and this is a foot peeling mask that actually delivers on what it says. Like, my feet did like peel off a few days later, and it's like I have brand new feet, and it's amazing. I would totally pay $6.50 for this again. The last item is the shower sponge, which retails for $6. It is a lemon shaped body buff that is a fun way to exfoliate your skin while showering. It will help remove dead skin cells as well as stimulate blood circulation. So this I've used a couple of times. It's still actually wet because I used it today, kind of gross, but I like it. I still think I prefer like loofahs over this. Like, this is really hard to get fully rinsed out and feel like I got all of the soap out compared to my loofah, and it gives me about the same exfoliation as a loofah. So I don't think I would purchase this again for $6, but it is cute and fun. Overall, was the month of December worth it? I think based on the 4 products that I enjoy and the retail value of those 4 products, absolutely I got my money's worth if I had paid for the box. There were only like 2 not repurchases, and they were the lower value products in the box, so I think that December was a win. Alright, let's move on to the Mask Maven unboxing and review. So for the month of December, the theme for the Mask Maven again was all about teas, just like the beauty box. And it says, as winter is approaching and the weather is getting colder, what better way to enjoy the season than with warm teas? Whether it be classics like green and black tea or fun fruit flavored ones, we love them all. This month you will be receiving an assortment of tea flavored or tea based K-beauty picks. I tried to use as many of these as possible. I also did get a few friends to test some of these. So most of these masks have been tested, and I can let you know full thoughts. The first mask is the Diopro's Color Synergy Wine and Blueberry Effect Mask. It is packed with antioxidants from wine like flavonoid, resveratrol, and tannin, which make your skin look and feel younger. So I tried this one. I felt it was brightening, smoothing, and firming. I really enjoyed it. I would definitely do this one again. Next we have the Nature by Green Tea Essence Mask. It is designed to brighten your complexion, reduce puffiness, and protect your skin against free radicals. It contains an abundance of antioxidants that combat the signs of aging and keep your skin healthy while applied topically. This is one I did not try. I think it had something in it. I don't remember what it had in it, but I didn't try it. None of my friends tried it, so I'm throwing it in my giant giveaway box because I have so much stuff I was going to give away over Reachmas, and I'm trying to figure out a way to do some giveaways for you guys really soon so that the stuff just doesn't sit here and expire. So keep an eye out for some giveaways within the next month or so. This is going in a giveaway. Next we have the Papa Recipe Ginseng Red Honey Oil Mask. This mask richly moisturizes and nourishes the skin with the mulberry fabric soaked with oil essence containing honey and red ginseng extracts, which keep your skin hydrated and radiant. I felt this one left my skin hydrated, very glowy, and it was very smoothing, and definitely recommend. Next we have the Double and Zero Orange Fruit Macaron Mask. It's made from 100% sky salt crystal fibers, which provide therapeutic benefits to your skin. Features multiple orange colored fruits as main ingredients, including orange, apricot, pomegranate, and papaya, which work to brighten your complexion. I felt this one was so hydrating and very brightening. I would definitely do it again. Next we have the Dr. Marita Green Tea Moisture Mask. It helps promote DNA repair and reduces irritation, while sodium hyaluronate is used for its anti-aging properties and ability to hydrate skin. So this is another one I didn't try. I think it had some no-no ingredient. I don't remember. It's going in the giveaway. Next we have the Nature by Essence Blueberry Mask. Blueberries are packed with vitamin A and C, which enrich skin cells and lock in moisture. After 20 minutes, you will see that your skin is hydrated, revitalized, and tightened. My notes on this one were, it did all of the things with a big heart. So I would definitely do this one again. Next we have the Botanic Farm Rice Energy Mask. It contains pure rice extract to effectively clear pores and purify the skin. It also helps reduce redness and inflammation, perfect for irritated and sensitive skin. My friend did this one and he said it moisturized and calmed his skin and he would do it again. Next I received the Am Peggy Head Tea Mask. It had two styles. I believe I received the Ali Shan Green Tea Purify Calming Mask. I think if I'm telling you about the right mask, it says this mask is calming and prevents acne and has grapefruit and witch hazel, which cleanses the skin. And I felt this mask left me very red and irritated, and I would definitely not recommend it. Finally, we received a mystery mask. I received the Milk Mask from Farmstay, which moisturizes skin to refresh with vitality and smoothly transforms your skin vibrant with moist all day without irritation. My sister tried this one and she said she felt that it left her very itchy and wet and red, and she would not recommend it. Overall, was the month of December worth it? I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 were recommends, 2 didn't test, and 2 were fails. So if we look at it that way, I would say it probably is worth it because over half of them are recommends, and then 2 of them I get to put in a giveaway for you guys. So sounds like a success to me. Again, if you guys are interested in signing up, the code Rachel25 will take 25% off your first month. If you guys already received this, what did you guys think of December's or your most recent month? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.